Hello and welcome. I'm Courtney from Magic Moon Nails, and I'm here to share with you a look at what's inside Maniology's Mani by Me subscription box for the month of January. Hello, thank you for joining me. Today I'm opening January's Mani by Me subscription box from Maniology. This is my very first monthly box from them, so I'm really excited to see what's inside. Upon first opening the box, there are a couple of cards. This first one is an introduction to this month's box, which is a minimalist galaxy theme. It describes this month's polishes as being space inspired. It goes on to talk about this month's special gift as being a set of 4 metallic gold nail sticker sheets. And this next card says, "Thank you for joining the Mani by Me monthly club." It says that each box purchase helps to eliminate racism and empower women through economic advancement programs at the local YWCA. Very cool. Also, each month you'll receive 2 exclusive nail stamping plates not available anywhere else, and 2 brand new coordinated stamping polishes plus a surprise gift. You also earn 50% more reward stamps in the Mani Circle Rewards program. Plus, you also get free standard U.S. shipping on every order as long as you're a Mani by Me member. Now I'm opening this, I also want to let you know that Maniology states that you can cancel your subscription at any time, no questions asked. And they also state that if you would like to skip a month, you just email them before the first of the month that you want to skip, and they'll go ahead and help you do that, which I thought was pretty cool. And here's a stamping guide. If you want to see more of that, you can check out my Rebel Yell Stamping Starter Kit unboxing video. They've included 2 pineapple gummies. This is the crystal clear ice cube stamper that's included with your first box. Comes with their mini scraper card, which I love. These are this month's exclusive polishes. Ooh, the hollow. Awesome. This first polish is called Celestial, and Maniology describes this as a rich navy blue metallic shimmer. The second polish is called Lilac Clouds, And it's a light purple polish with a lush cream finish. These are this month's special gift of 4 sheets of metallic gold nail stickers. Next in the box is Maniology stamping plate M001. This plate is filled with lots of spaced theme designs, and I absolutely love this plate. The next plate is M002, and this plate is made of some really cool geometric designs. And you could be really creative with this plate, and you could combine a few of these images and make your own unique designs. I'm looking forward to doing that. That's all the items I received in this month's Mani by Me box. I'll leave all the info about Maniology subscription boxes in the description below. Now let's go ahead and try out a couple of designs. Here are the final looks. Thanks again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up. And to make sure that you don't miss any future videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments. Sending you all much peace and love. Bye.
Magik.